Hello and welcome to a Polkadot update video. Like always, first of all, we are going to take a look to the 3 days chart and then change to the shorter time frame. On the daily chart, we are tracking a 3-wave move to the upside, A, B, C in our first wave A. And as you guys can see, I made some adjustments on the chart. So we are tracking from the top of the A wave, an ABC structure to the downside, A wave, B wave, and C wave, but not like in the past video in a wave below, instead in a wave A. So in that case, we are still in this wave B. So in the past video, this wave B was here. Now we are on a larger correction because of the new low. So from there, a 3-wave move to the upside in wave B. I also added here a support area, starting at the 50% level at $26, extending to the 88% level at $44. And from there, a pullback, a 5-wave move pullback in a wave C. And from there, we can get a low in a wave B. Before starting, last 5-wave move to the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a wave C. You guys can ignore this large wick to the downside. It's only on this exchange, on Binance USDT. On the other exchanges, there isn't this large wick to the downside. It goes only till here, if I'm not mistaken, but we saw a new low, but not that large wick to the downside, so you can ignore it. So the next expected move to the upside would be in this orange wave B. We don't have any certainty if we will enter the support area here of the wave B, because like it's the same game like in the past video. There is high resistance on $11.70. We got rejected in the past 2 times, 1 time and 2 times. So there is a strong resistance. So it's very possible that we will go that high and then got rejected here again and then go again to the downside. So yeah, bullish wise, I mean, it's also bearish, but bullish wise, we need to see if we can break through this resistance and find support there to enter our support area, or if we got directly rejected and go again to the downside. So let me switch to the shorter time frame. So we are, let me check into the daily chart, because like I said, we are taking this ABC structure to the downside. A wave, B wave, and C wave. The C wave is a 5-wave move, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we are tracking in the wave 4 and diagonal structure. Now I can change the shorter time frame. Like I said, we are tracking here a triangle. So we have an A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, and E wave in our wave 4, and then tracking from there a 5-wave move to the downside. So we have 2 possibilities. So first possibility would be that we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, might be in a wave 4, and then see another low in a wave 5. Like I said, on the daily chart, you can ignore this strong wick to the downside. So in that case, we don't need to see a strong low, so it would be sufficient to go underneath that low for a wave 5. Second possibility would be that we would count a starving wave 5 here. So we would count it like that: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, a starving wave 5. So we didn't surpass our last low of the wave 3, and then starting from there, our next move to the upside. So it's a little bit tricky, because let me switch to the 30 minutes chart. So we need to see if we can start counting from here, because if we start counting from there, we only have a 3-wave move to the upside, and like I'm always saying, we can rely on that. But if we start counting from here, we can possibly count a 5-wave move to the upside, and that would be our first setup. So we need to give the chart a little bit more time. We need to be a little bit more patient, so the chart can give us new information and look if it's going down or to the upside. So that was a short Polkadot update video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, leave a like, a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.